Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to adjust the time on a 2013 Volkswagen Passat. You cannot do it manually, unfortunately, but you have to do it through the vehicle's dashboard settings menu. It took me a couple of hours to figure that one out, but it's not too hard, so let me show you exactly what you have to do. So to start, just turn the key to a run position, do not start the vehicle. Now just wait until we get into the menu. Please disregard this message, and yes, we'll get into the settings menu. And now just scroll down using this keyboard here, scroll down to time, press OK. And now we can adjust hours and minutes or even 24-hour mode here. So I will show you how that works. If we press OK on the hours, let's change hours, I don't know, to 7 hours, and now it will automatically turn clockwise until it gets to your preset time. Yeah, it's quite easy actually once you know how to do it. So once again, just go under time. Okay, so let's set the minutes now. Let's go to, I don't know. Again, I will show you how I change the minutes. That's how he goes here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope it's been helpful, and please subscribe. Thank you.